Welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 3. The essential question is, for this chapter, how can I communicate multiplication? Okay, I want you to think about multiplication as groups of. So the first number, maybe 6 or 5 or whatever, we'll say 3 groups of, and then how many are in each group. So maybe 4 or 5. So 3 groups of 5 or 4 groups of 7. Okay, you'll see it as we do the lesson. Today is called Hands-On, Use Place Value to Multiply. You can use base 10 models to multiply one-digit numbers. And they have our base 10 blocks down here. Remember, the long ones are 10 and the short ones are 1. Grace and her friends are at the mall. They see 3 rows of parked cars. Okay, so that's 3 groups. There are 23 cars in each group, or in each row. How many cars are there altogether? So it would be 3 groups of 23. Find 3 times 23 using models. Okay, so they've set it all up. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So circle the ones. Count the number of ones. So there's 3, 3, and 3. And the answer would be 9. Circle the tens. Count the number of tens. So there's 2, and 2, and 2 makes 6. And our tens, 6, and our ones were 9. Write the number of the tens in the tens place and the ones in the ones place. So we have our answer is 69. So this is a way to multiply when you have one digit by 2 digits. You can use models. So Grace and her friends see 69 cars. All right, let's try another one. Find 2 times 32 using models. Okay, so we have 2 groups of 32. 10, 20, 32. 10, 20, 32. Circle the ones. Then count the ones, complete the place value chart. Okay, there are 4 ones. Circle the tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the number of tens. Complete the place value chart. So 6. So there are 6 tens and 4 ones. So 2 times 32 equals 64. So how would you model 2 times 22? Okay, so I would use 2 10 blocks and 2 ones blocks for group 1 and make a matching second group. This is basically what multiplication is. It's just saying that you're going to have the same group with the same amount in it and then telling you how many times you'll do that group. Justify your conclusion. Would you rather use base 10 blocks counters or mental math to model activity 1? Base 10, counters, or mental math? For me, I wouldn't use counters. You'd have to count out way too many. Base 10 blocks are nice if you have them. And mental math, Well, hopefully you guys will get good enough that you will be able to do that mentally. I would say right now, base 10 blocks are easy for me. Okay, and let's look over to our write about it on the back. This is on page 212. How do models help you to multiply by one-digit numbers? Explain. So how does using the models help? So I have my sentence starter. Models help me. Okay, you can write what you want to write. This is what I wrote. Models help me to see the place value and understand the groups. So how do models help you? Okay, see you in class.